Okay, I'm gonna put that off now because we are live now, okay? Everyone has to be on their best behavior now, okay? Right. So we started to look at topic 8 last week. Topic 8. Understanding dispersion. And is it last week? On Monday, I think. And we looked at all the different ways we can work out the quartiles for ungrouped data. So we had that data 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 5. And I told you that the first thing you have to do is to arrange them in ascending order. Okay. Now we're looking at the range. So okay, and I said to put them in ascending order. And when we did, we had 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 5.
4, 5, 5.
No, we have 2, 3, 4, 4.
Oh, 4, 4, 5, 5. 5, 5, 6.
7, 7.
8.
8.
Yeah, and then we worked out the we got the lower quartile to be what? Don't even know. So we got the lower quartile to be this one, the third value. We got the the middle quartile to be the 6th value, and then we got the upper quartile to be the 9th value. Yeah, so that's what we did on Monday. Lower quartile, middle quartile, and upper quartile. Now there's something known as interquartile range. I didn't tell you about it, but I'm going to tell you about it now. Yeah. It's okay. Okay, so there's something known as interquartile range. Yeah, and that is equal to the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. Yeah, the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. So we got our upper quartile to be 7. Interquartile range for this data here would be equal to 7 minus the lower quartile is 4, and that's equal to 3. Just that simple. You got the marks, okay? Just that simple, straightforward. You got the marks. All right. Okay. I told you on Monday that your break is going to be at 3:30 when I go to pick my daughter up from school, okay? And then when I come back, we'll finish off. So Let's keep it going. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at how to work out quartiles for grouped data, okay? Okay, and you have the formula is given by L plus Q minus P over F times C, okay? And that's the formula. Quartile to quartile is equal to L plus Q minus P over F times C, okay? So let's have a look at what those things stand for. And you need to know all of them, okay? L stands for lower limit of the quartile class. Q stands for the quartile position. Okay, so lower quartile, upper quartile, or middle quartile. Yeah, that's what the quartile position means. And then P stands for the previous class cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency and C stands for the quartile class interval. And F stands for the class frequency. Okay, so you know what they all stand for now. Write them down. I'll give you some minutes to write them all down in your books. Okay, have we written it all down? And we can have a look at an example if we've written it all down. Oops. Okay. Quartiles for group data. I take it back. Okay, so let me get my example up. Sorry, guys. Right. So let's say you have this example right here. So you got this table. And then you have what's there now? Weights, maybe it says weight here, maybe in kilograms, and then you got the frequency. Okay, so here 0 is less than or equal to x for the weight is less than 10. 10 is less than or equal to x is less than 20. 20 is less than or equal to x is less than 30. 30 less than or equal to x is less than 40. 40 is less than or equal to x is less than 50. 50 is less than or equal to x is less than 60. And 60 is less than or equal to x is less than 70. Yeah? Now, the first thing, okay, let's complete the table. You got 2 here, 3, 7, 15, 8, 4, and 1. Yeah? Add them all up to get your total frequency. Let's see what you get on here. Add them all up for me to get your total frequency. Let's see what you get.
40.
40. Excellent. Well done. So now, well done. The first thing you want to do is to work out or extend the table to include a column for cumulative frequency because you will need that, okay? So let's extend that table to include a column for cumulative frequency. Because we need that for our calculations. So you know how to work out cumulative frequency. The first one here is going to be 2, and if we add on that 2 to 3, then we will have 5. If we add 5 to 7,
Down.
Yeah. If we add 27 to 8, we get 35. If we add 35 to 4, we get 39. And 39 add 1 is 40. When this 40 match up to this total 40 here, then we know that we've done it correctly. Okay? Come on. Just move. Move. Okay, so we've done that now. The next thing you want to work out are the quartile positions, okay? You want to work out your quartile positions. You got quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3, okay? For the lower quartile, the middle quartile, and the upper quartile. So let's work out our quartile positions.
الو ملتش خايس ركان الو تحت.
ايوه
I'm so sorry, guys. My internet is kind of crazy today. I think
Okay,
I've lost everything I wrote on the board.
it's okay, it's
Oh, it's gone. Maybe I'll do it on PowerPoint so that even if it goes, I can still have it. Yeah, that's what I'll do because I don't want to be writing stuff and be losing it. Stop share. Screen. Okay, let's do it on my PowerPoint instead, okay? So, right, it's been a long time I used this. Okay, so yeah, we have 0. 0 is less than or equal to x is less than 10. 10 is less than or equal to x is less than 20. 20 is less than or equal to x is less than 30. 30 is less than or equal to x is less than 40. 40 is less than or equal to x is less than 50. 50 less than or equal to x less than 60. Is that the last one? Okay, I did put all the, so let's make this one bigger. I did put the lines in. Right, what's this? A line. Why is it so tiny? Okay, let's put another one in. Shape outline black, and this was for the, what was this for again? Wait, I would rather do it here because I don't trust this internet anymore. It's just throwing away all my data that I've typed. Okay, and then I'm gonna put another one in for frequency. And we have one in for text box. This was 2, 3, 7, 7, 12, 7, 15.
8 4 1.
Thank you. 8, 4, 1. Yeah, thank you. So I'm gonna increase that now. Is it okay now? Yep. And then we did another one for the cumulative frequency. Yeah, it would be great if you just call them out for me, okay? Because look at what internet has caused me to be writing out everything again that I just finished writing. And we did one for cumulative text. Okay, who is helping me with the numbers? Yeah, was it 2? Yeah.
2, 5, 12, 27,
27, yeah.
35,
35, yeah. Is it 39? Oh, Ash, have I lost?
yes, 39,
Yeah, 40, yeah. Thank you, Abra. What was that? Oh, gosh. Okay, so now we got back to where we were before. Oh my goodness. That's the problem with schooling online. Okay, so we want to apply the formula now, and we said that the formula is L plus Q minus P minus O times C, and this is over F, yeah? So for to work out quartile 1, Q1 is equal to 1/4 of the total data, yeah? 1/4 of N, that's equal to 1/4 of 40, yeah? What's 1/4 of 40?
10,
10. Q2 is equal to half of 40, half of N, which is equal to half of 40,
20,
20. Q3 is equal to 3/4 of 40, which is equal to 30, I think, yeah? So now, those are not the answers. The things I've just written down now are not the answers. They are not the answers. They are the quartile positions. Okay, so that's where you normally start from. So Q1 equal to 40 means you're going to look in your cumulative frequency and find out Q1 equals to 10 means you're going to look in your cumulative frequency and find out where the 10th data is. Where the 10th data is. This is 1, 2 is here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 is here. Then 8, 9, 10 is going to be in this one. So you circle this one. Okay, you circle this one. This is quartile 1. Do we understand? Yeah? Now, Q2 is equal to 20 means you want to find where the 20th data will be. Yeah, you have up to the 12th data in here. But here you have 13, 14, 15, up to the 27th data is here. So it's going to be in this one, Q2. Okay, and then Q3 is going to be in the one that contains the 30th data. So it must be in this one right here. Okay, lower quartile, middle quartile, and upper quartile. So now let's calculate. Q1, right, Q1 I used red. Let me use the red for it. Q1 is equal to L is the lower limit of the quartile class is 20. Here is 20, okay? Plus Q is what? Quartile position for quartile 1 is 10, yeah? Q is 10. 10 minus, what is P? P is the cumulative frequency of the previous class, yeah? So it's going to be 5 minus 5 times, what is C then? C is the quartile class interval, yeah, the class width, okay? So this is 10 here again. 30 minus 20 is 10, so that would be 10. This is over, what is F? F is the class frequency, so that's going to be 7. So you guys need to put this into your calculator and tell me what your answer is, all right? Yeah. $27.1 kilograms. Well done, Abra. Okay. Q1 is 27.1, okay? So we're doing weights. I'm just going to put that there. Now let's have a look at Q2. For Q2, we have L is the lower limit of the quartile class is 30 plus Q is the quartile position 20 minus P is the previous class cumulative frequency. So this one is 27. The previous one is 12. 12 times C is the quartile class interval. So the class width, okay? So that's still 10 divided by F is the class frequency, and here it is 15. So you need to put that in to get your quartile 2. Well done. Yeah. 35.3 or 33.3? Which one is correct? I don't know. I think I'm just going to put that into my calculator. 35.3, yeah? Okay. And for quartile 3, I'll check that answer again in my calculator, no problems. For quartile 3, we'll do the same thing again. L is the lower limit of the quartile class. So for Q3, we go with 40 plus quartile position is 30 minus frequency of the previous class is 27 times C is the class width is 10 over I think it's 8, the frequency. So that needs to go into our calculator so that we can get the answer. Yeah, 43.75 kilograms. Well done, Ahmed. Well done, Abra. Okay. 43.75 kilograms. So that's how we do it. That's how we find the quartiles. This is the formula that you use for quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. But you first have to do the quartile positions. You have to work out the cumulative frequencies. And from the cumulative frequencies, you're going to trace the quartile classes, okay? If you worked out the quartile position, then you can go and find the quartile classes from your cumulative frequency. All right. So now that you guys can do it, I can give you one to try out for me. All right. I'm going to put that on my new share on my whiteboard. When I come back from my school runs, it's going to be checking our module and finding out where we are, who is behind, who is in front, who is at top. I'm going to get you to do one for me now. Okay. Find the quartiles. Find quartiles 1, 2, and 3 for the following data. Mm. 0 is less than or equal to x is less than 10. 10 is less than or equal to x is less than 20. Mm-hmm. Okay, so you know what you have to do first. You know what you have to do first. So I'm going to put the information in now for you. 15, 18, 9, 16, 9, 6, 9, 2. Well done, Abra. Where's my water? I'm so thirsty now. Okay, so once somebody has finished, anybody else finished? Anybody else finished? One more to finish and then we can do it together. Okay, Abdullah, waiting for you. Oh, oh my goodness, it's so sunny today, such a lovely weather. Thank goodness, we haven't had this type of sunshine for how many days now? It's rain, rain, rain every day. Okay, you know what step one is? Cumulative frequency. Okay, and you know what step two is? Quartile position. And then you know what step three is? Okay, apply the formula and work them out. Okay, Q1 is 1/4 of n By now, you should know what N is from your cumulative frequencies. Q2 is half of N, and Q3 is 3/4 of N. Okay, N is going to be here. It's what you get at the end of your cumulative frequencies as well. Okay,
We will get 84.
in the bottom here.
Yeah.
Okay, so 15 is 15 here. What's the next one? This would
33.
33, yeah. And the next one, well done.
2.
42. And the next one,
58.
58. And the next one,
67.
yep. And the next one,
73.
the next one,
82. Then 84.
and 84. Okay. And when you did a quarter of 84, what did you get?
21.
21. A half of 84, what did you get?
42.
42. And 3/4 of 84, what did you get?
63.
63. So these are the important bits of information that you need. Okay. These are the important bits of information that you need. Now you need to come onto your table and find where those data will fall in. Yeah. So quartile 1, I'm going to use red for quartile 1. Quartile 1 is going to fall inside of this second class here. Okay, because 21 is not in that one, so it's definitely going to be in this one. And 42 is clear, it's in this one. Yeah, so that one is clear. So this is quartile 2. And quartile 3 is 63. So it's not going to be in this one. It's going to be in the other one. So this is going to be your quartile 3. So now you got all the information in, yeah? So you just need to, how are you, Nayan? You need to put them into the formula. And the formula is, where's our formula again? L plus Q minus P times C over F, okay? So for Q1, we have it's equal to, L is the lower limit of the quartile class is 10 plus Q is the quartile position, quartile 1 is 21 minus P is the previous class cumulative frequency, so that would be 15 times C is the class width, yeah, so that is 10 over F is the frequency, so it was 18 there. And what do you get for that one, Abra? Let's see.
13.3.
13.3 kilograms. Well done to you. It's not kilograms this time, 13.3, yeah. It's not kilograms because we don't have weight or kilograms on there. So let's have a look at quartile 2 then. Quartile 2 is the one I used pink for. Q2 is equal to L is the lower limit of the quartile class, which is 20 plus Q is the quartile position, 42 minus P is the previous class cumulative frequency, 33 times 10 over F is the frequency, 9. You need to put that into your calculator and work it out. What's the answer, guys? Mm-hmm. Is it 30? 30. Good. Okay, so now let's have a look at quartile 3, okay? Q3 is equal to the lower limit of the quartile class is 40 plus quartile position is 63 minus previous class cumulative frequency 58 over this is times 10 over this is 9. Okay, so if you put that into your calculator, what does that give you?
45.5.
45.5. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it with quartiles for grouped data. All right, so you can do it now. You can do quartiles for grouped data. How many times do I have you next week? 2 times. Let me check my schedule with you. My computing class. Yes, I'm doing topic 9 with you next week. So we have to finish topic 8 today. Today. So now the other thing that we have to do is known as mean deviation. Okay, mean deviation for grouped data. Mean deviation for a data set and frequency table, and mean deviation for grouped data. Let's have a look. It's the same thing. Well, I have to teach you that now quickly. When I come back from the break, we can do standard deviation and variance, okay? And then we finish topic 8. And next week, we're on to topic 9. Okay, so the formula for working out mean deviation is sigma times x minus x bar over n, okay? That's the formula. So, for example, if I have a data set like this one, yeah, then 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 11, and 13. Yeah. The first thing I'm going to calculate is the mean. Okay. X bar is equal to, you add them all up and divide by the number of data. Sigma x divided by n. Okay. So add them all up. 10 plus 12 plus, put them into your calculator and divide by 11. I think it's 11 of them. And let me know what you get. 14.55, okay? Because this is 160 over 11, which is 14.55. Now you can make a little table. You can make a little table. Hang on a minute, let me put this to the side. Oh, who is giving me a headache with this? Coming in and going out. I'm teaching, guys, please. Oh gosh. I want to move it to the corner. Not even going to move, it's just trying to expand itself for no reason. So now you can make a little table. You can make a table of x, and of course you know what x bar means, and then you can take the absolute value of x minus x bar. Okay, so this means absolute. It means if your answer is negative, you make it positive. Okay, so we're going to have a look at how that works now. Then you can put all of your data in. This is 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 11, and 13. And your X bar, we've already calculated it to be 14.55. It's going to be the same for all of them. Okay, you can write it down if you have the energy to do, but I will not. It will be a waste of your time. Now you're going to do x minus x bar for all of them. Yeah. The first one is going to be 10 minus 14.5. It's supposed to be negative. It's supposed to be negative 4.5, but you will leave it as positive 4.5. Take the absolute value. Okay. So don't put any negative down here. Okay, guys, I want you to fill that up for me. And tell me what you get at the end here. What is sigma x minus x bar? Okay, so for this one, the first one is going to be, I don't know whether you people know what you're doing. Yeah, 10 minus 14.55. Yeah. And the next one will be 12 minus 14.55. 13, and so on. And you fill up that place, okay? Ooh. Mhm. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. So here you should get 2.5, and here you should get 1.5. 1.5. 14 minus 5, 14.55. 10 minus 14.55. Yeah, 4.55. Yeah, well done, 28.45. Well done. Someone's got it already. Okay. Yeah. One minus. And if you add them all up, you have 28.45. And then you have to put that into your calculator. Yeah. So mean deviation is equal to 28.45 over 11. And then you get your answer. All right, guys. 2.58. I got 2.59. I don't know. Let me see. 28.45 divided by 11. Yeah, 2.59 if you round your answer up correctly. You should have. Yeah, Abdullah, is that the correct answer for you? Okay, right. So that's how you do it for this type of data, okay? That's how you do it for this type of data. And I have the lesson video, stop share, which is on your Moodle. Let me open that up for you. If you feel lost with what I'm showing you now, just come back to your Moodle. Computing and science. Oh, I haven't brought in your topic 8. So share screen. Let's do that now. Let's get your topic 8 now. Import. I don't want this. I don't want calculator. I don't want no filters. Next. No. Just take me down to topic 8. I want this one. This. What did I miss out there? Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna delete this topic. Topic 7, topic 8, topic 9. This is not ready for your eyes to see it yet. Okay. Okay, so if you come to topic 8 here, if you don't understand what I'm teaching you, or if you're lost, if you seem lost, there's a lesson video there for mean deviation, okay? I think I did this with the engineering students, and it's the same sort of thing. I put everything in there for you guys, okay? So you can watch that one if you feel more comfortable in your time. And of course, the one that I'm doing with you now is going to be on YouTube for you to follow up, okay? Right. Now we're going to do it for grouped data. Okay, so the formula for this one is mean deviation is equal to sigma f times x minus x bar all over sigma f, okay? Now, if you have data like this one right here, wait. Now, these ones are just going to be like tables, and you're going to remember when to use which particular table, okay? I'll let you know which of them is likely going to come in the exam so that you can prepare for that particular one, because we've learned quite a few of them, but they will be in your assessments, okay? Frequency. So you have to do all of them, but for your exam, you might do one or two for me. So let's say you have 0 is less than or equal to W is less than 10. 10 is less than or equal to W is less than 20. 20 is less than or equal to W is less than 30. 30 is less than or equal to W is less than 40. 40 is less than or equal to W is less than 50. 50 is less than or equal to W is less than 60. 60 is less than or equal to W is less than 70. Okay, I have this is 2, 3, 7, 15, 18, 4, and 1. The next thing you're going to try and work out is the midpoints of each of the classes, okay? We'll call that X, okay, because this is W. We want to work out the midpoints, okay? The midpoint of this one, you've done this when you were doing mean for group data. You know what midpoint is? It's going to be 5. The midpoint is what's in between those two numbers, each of them. This one will be 15. This would be 25, 35, 45, 55, and 65. Okay? Now you're going to work out F times X, the frequency, we call it F. Okay, now you're going to work out F times X. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 15 is 45. 7 times 25 is 175. 15 times 35 is 525. 18 times 45 is 810. 4 times 55 is 220. And 1 times 65 is 65. Guys, can you verify those numbers for me on your calculators, please? Check that I've written them down correctly and there is no mistake. Okay. So in our formula, we have X bar. Thank you, Abra. In our formula, we have X bar. So we need to work out what X bar is. And when we were working out the mean, remember we said X bar is equal to sigma F times X divided by sigma F, okay? So we need to work out what sigma F is and what sigma F times X is, okay? Sigma X is equal, sigma F is equal to 40 and sigma f times x is equal to 1,850. Guys, confirm the numbers, please. Okay, put them, punch them through your calculators and confirm them. Correct, thank you. Now, sigma f over sigma f times x divided by sigma f would be equal to 1,850 sigma f times x, sigma f times x, this is sigma the total, yeah, divided by sigma f is the total of f, 40, yeah, and that is equal to 35. Once we got our 35, we need to come here now and work out this part of our calculation, x minus x bar. Okay, the absolute value. What is x? 15 minus 35. X is 5, yeah. X is 5 minus 35. Is what? It's meant to be negative 30, but now we're going to take the positive value. And so that's going to be 30. And you do the same for all of them. And here you're going to have...
Sorry, miss, but the f is not equal to 40, it's equal to 50.
Is it 60?
50.
Plus 3 is 5. Sigma F is 60. Oh, 50. Yeah, you're right. It's 50. Yeah. Well done, Abra. This is why it's good to pay attention. Okay. So 1850 divided by 50 is going to give us 37. Yeah. So that's 37. X by 37. Have we written that down correctly? 2, 3, 7, 15, 18, 4, and 1. Yeah. Yeah. So that is going to be, this is going to be 50 here. And then we have 37 here. So somebody was paying attention. The rest of you were just looking. You will look and you will learn nonsense. So what's the answer to this one? I think it's 32 or so. So we have to check these ones. So this would be x is 5 minus 37 is equal to 32 if we take the positive value. Okay. Okay, 15 minus 37 is 22.
22.
25 minus 37,
12.
12. 35 minus 37, 2. 45 minus 37, 8. 55 minus 37, 18. And 65 minus 37 is
28.
28. So it looks good. 32, 22, 12, 2, 8, 18, 8, 28. Okay. Now, F times X minus f times x minus x bar. Okay, so f was f2 times this one. So I'm going to circle the ones you are multiplying. F times x minus x bar is going to give you what here?
64.
54, 64. Now the next one would be 3 times 22,
66.
66. And the next one would be 7 times 12,
84.
84. And the next one would be 15 times 2,
30.
30. And the next one would be 18 times 8,
144.
1, 3, 4. And the next one would be
144.
144, yeah? Correct now, yeah? The next one would be 4 times 18,
72.
74,
72.
72. Well done. 72. And 1 times 28, of course, is 28. Now you need to add all of them together to see what you get. Mm-hmm.
488.
488. Now your formula says to do sigma f times x minus x bar over sigma f. And you got sigma f times x minus x bar to be equal to 488. You have to divide that by sigma f, which is equal to 50 to get your final answer. 9.76, okay? Okay, guys, our head is full up now. I see you. Let's go and have a rest, okay? For now, 3:30. I will be back at, let's have a look. Did I tell you that your assessment 7 is open for you now? Yeah. So, stop share. Yeah. Let's just have a quick peek at what is happening on here. So you want to make sure that you finished all your assessments before the end of May, okay? Because it will be closed. I think I have 5 people have attempted it, and this is a class of 20-something people. Yeah, so there are lesson videos here if you don't understand any of those topics, okay? If you don't understand any of them, there are lesson videos. I even made some notes of some things, okay? So to help you. Your exams will mostly be based on the things that you've been doing with me in class. What's this on topic 7? Recorded live lessons. Oh, I put this one here. Yeah. So I should take the stream for this lesson and share it now for topic 8. What have we been doing? Mean deviation. And I think we also did quartiles for group data. I don't know why I just did that. Quartiles for grouped data, mean deviation. When I come back now, we'll do standard deviation and variance. Let me copy the stream link. So that's there for you guys now for whenever you need to reference it, okay? Everything that we did in class today, if you did not follow the one we did in the lesson, you can watch the one that I recorded. The pre-recorded one is about 5 minutes if you don't want to go through the 2 hours long one, okay? Okay. So you just have 2 assessments to complete now before the end of, I think assessment 8 will be open for you by the end of this lesson, okay? We would have finished it. And I think I would advise you to do it immediately after we finish the lesson so that you know how to do it. Which question is there? Let me see. Variance and standard deviation. So I haven't even taught you. Probably I will change it now before I open it for you. I will advise you to do it immediately. Don't leave it or you will forget what I just explained to you and you will not know what to do.
Miss, I want to do all assessments.
You want to do all?
Yes, again.
Again.
I didn't do.
You didn't do? Okay. I'm coming. I will give
Yes.
you, I will open all for you to do all in one day.
Also,
You're joking.
no, I'm not joking. I'm talking seriously.
Please, you guys should just leave me alone, please, okay?
We must
The assessments have been open for you since you didn't do them. So don't call me. I'm not opening anything. If I open any assessment, it means I cannot mark them. So I cannot open them, okay?
Okay.
Anything that is closed is closed. If it's open, it will not allow me to give anybody grades. And the more I keep it, the more it's piling up on me. And very soon I will not be able to, because once it's exam, all of you will write the same day and submit, and I have to mark everything and give you a result. If I don't give you a grade, you will be disturbing. So we'll be back, okay?
You have break?
Now.
Okay.
I write 3:45 because it's 15 minutes, but I'm actually going to be back at 4 because my daughter comes out at 10 to 4, okay? So that's when I'll be back.
Take your time, teacher.
Thank you for your understanding. Oh my goodness. Right. So you guys can go and have your break, okay?
Okay.
See you at 4.
فوت من
هلا.
أول.
اسمعك.
الساعة كم يا أخي؟
الساعة 3:30.
باقي 15 دقيقة.
قلت لازم تفتح لي الاسايمنتات.
يا أخي غلط الساعة.
أمم؟
إيه قلت له افتح الأسايمنتات بسوي، ما سويت ولا واحد. إيش قالت أوكي؟
لا قالت لا.
أحلف.
قالت كفاية امتحاناتك نفس الشيء. الله يلعنها، الله يحفظها، الله يخمد، هي كريهة بس طيبة.
درعمت أنت.
اللي عبود يرد عنه.
زين اسمع.
أمم.
ألو
هلا.
يا أخي حطيت ميوت بالغلط. سكرت الصوت بالغلط. يقول الساعة 3 الحين صح؟ 3:30.
إيه.
يا أخي غلط يا أخي.
ليش غلط؟
3 4 5 6 فرق بينه وبينكم 3 ساعات. في الدوحة 5:30 الحين. يعني المفروض عندكم ساعة 2 2:30.
عندنا 15 دقيقة. ثلاثة ونص.
غريب.
علوم دبي.
اوكي فرق ساعتين 5:30 يعني.
علوم دبي.
والله كانت حلوة.
متى روحت سافرت؟
روح من دبي
وين
الأحد.
عيطت؟
ها
وين عيطت؟
ما حد والله. تمشي هناك.
لا أقول العيد وين عيطت؟
وين؟
إيه.
في دبي.
طفش لعن أمك هذا. حتى لندن خرا.
بس الحين الإجازة.
لندن
روح بعد الاختبار.
رحت خمس سيسيوكا بعد
وكم اسسمنت خلصت؟
والله شوي مو وايد، خلني أشوف. شو اسمه، خلصت ما كنت آخر أسايمنت
كم؟
انجينيرنج. يا أخي أنا كنت أفتح الأسايمنت تسحب عليه تعطيني 0.
ما خلصت الكمبيوتر رياضيات.
الأسايمنت الأول يب فيه 4.5/10.
طيب الثاني؟
الثاني 3.5/10.
الثالث؟
الرابع
الثالث
10.
كلها 3.
ما في علامة حلوة الله يلعنها. الخامس ما حليته اعطتني 0. السادس 6/20. حلو. لا خايس والله. السابع انت كم واحد حليت؟
وربع.
السابع 0/20. شكلك ايام هذا ما كنت تحل انت، ما كنت انجينيرنج.
عندنا كنت حلو والله، حليت 3 بس بعدين وقفت هنا.
تعال الحين هذيلا بتوبك 8 صح الكمبيوتنج.
ايه لا
عيل.
تو 9 قام يبين الحين شوي.
عيل ليش عندي مسكراه توبك اسايمنت 9 و8.
8 تو فتحته.
اعطيه
السابع كان مفتوح.
بكلمها انا. بشوف شو اسمه هذيلا جروب انجينيرنج، خليهم يحلون يطرشون الاجوبه.
نفس التوبكس ها؟
إيه.
سك ميوت.
يلا. نهيان
ها
سلمت توبك 7 8.
لا الحين بسويهم بس
لا لا
بشوف.
حق شو اسمه هذه حق ريشيل
ايه سويت.
الحين بطرش انا.
طيب
اقول لك نهيان
I'll be right back, guys. Okay, right. Where were we before we went to where we were? Where were we? Right. Okay, we have to do the register now before it puts us all in absence. If it hasn't done that already. Okay, right. Where's the register? Is Nayan there? Nayan Al-Shamri, are you there? Nope. Okay, right. I'm going to mark those who are in now. Today is the 19th, and it's for the maths. 15:30 to 7 to 5 o'clock. Scheduled. Abdullah Fawaz.
Hi teacher.
Ahmed Tarek. Ahmed Tarek.
Yes.
Okay. Ahad. Rakan.
Yes.
There's no Osama. Abdullah Al-Nazi. So, Maha.
Yes.
Saud Al-Begami. Abdullah Alessa. Ahmed Al-Habi.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Saleh. Omar.
Yes, miss.
Hassan. Haitham. Nayan.
Yes.
Okay. Ali. Khalid. And Abra.
Yes.
Okay. Let me check the other list. I think Nayan was there earlier on as well. For the maths. 13:45. Oh, this is my longest day. Okay. Abdullah, I've marked you in. goodness. Okay. Who are all these people in the chat? Oh, Khalid, you didn't answer your name. You have to answer your name, because I'm not, people don't understand how this thing works. If you don't answer your name, I will not mark you in.
Teacher, I answered my name, but you didn't hear me.
Okay. Let me find the other one, because otherwise, 1345. Okay. Let's continue from where we stopped, okay? So some of the videos on YouTube, they will be so long. You don't have to watch all those things, yeah? You can just scrub it and get to the point where I'm explaining stuff and watch that one, okay? You don't have to leave it on and be there and be wasting your time there. Because we leave it on even when we are on break or when we are doing other things, we leave it on because we don't want to miss any part of it. Next year, the people that will have next year, I would have downsized or streamlined some of those videos. I would have downsized a lot of them, so they won't have to be watching those long videos. Okay, so we want to do quickly. When is your lesson ending? Hmm, 5 o'clock. Oh gosh. We want to do the variance and the standard deviation. Okay. Let's have a look at the variance. So those who missed this couple of lessons that we're going to have, I don't know what they are going to do because we are packing a lot into these 2 weeks. The variance. And the formula for the variance is sigma x minus x bar over n, yeah? Sigma x minus x bar squared over n, yeah? So if I have this data, if I have this data, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Then the first thing you want to work out is your x bar. You work out your x bar will be equal to sigma x over n, yeah? Okay, so add them all up and divide by the number of data. 1, 2, 3, so over 8. I don't know what's there. Add them all up and let me know what your answer is. Okay. $120, yeah. So this will be 120 divided by 8, which is equal to, is it 15 or so? 15. Now you can make, well done. Yeah, so you can make a little table, you say X I always try to draw a line, but I'm never able to. Then you do x minus x bar. Then you do x minus x bar squared, okay? Now I tried to do it again and I couldn't do it. I'm so bad at drawing lines on this thing. That's weird. Okay, so I'm gonna put all the information in. There's 8, there's 10, there's 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. Okay, so put your x minus x bar for me. You know what your x bar is? So it will be 8 minus 15. Okay, and this time don't worry about the negative, just put the negative in. -7, okay? It's going to be -7, yeah? 10 minus 15 is going to be -5. 12 minus 15, -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, 7. See the pattern? Yeah? Now you square all of those things and that will take care of the negatives. This is going to be 49, 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25, and 49. Now you're going to find the sigma of it, yeah? Add them all up and let's get your answer. Okay. 164.
Yeah, okay. 164.
Well done, Abdullah. So this would be, 160, 64 or 68? 64, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
So now you apply that to the formula, yeah? Variance is equal to 164 over 8. And what's that going to give you? Check that. 49, add 25, add 9, add 1, times 2. It's 168, guys. Did you check it? I'm sorry. You guys are just following me like, this is 49 here. That's why you were getting the 164. Sorry, guys. This is 168. Okay, it's all done now. How do I put that? Yeah, so you get 21. All right. Well done. All right. And the standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Okay. Standard deviation is equal to the square root of the variance. So that is equal to the square root of 21. And I don't know what that will come to from your calculator. Okay, square root of 21 is equal to 4.6. Okay, so your question might ask you to find the variance and the standard deviation. So you just find the variance, okay? And when you got the variance, you work out the standard deviation by square rooting your answer here, okay? So that's the first one for ungrouped data. And if you have grouped data, then then it's going to be a little bit different. We have to do it differently. Assessment 8, I have to put 1 quartiles for group data question before I can let you guys do it. Okay. Right, so if you have it for grouped data, yeah, and this is how it works. Let's say you have this data right here, hours worked. Okay, so you got 3. Okay, so the formula that we use for grouped data is variance, which we call it S squared, is equal to sigma F times X squared all over sigma F minus sigma F times X over sigma F all squared. Okay, so that's the formula. You need to write that formula down and you're going to use it. We're going to use it now to work this out. Okay, so we need to work out sigma F times X. We need to work out sigma F. We need to work out sigma F times X squared. Okay, so let's go. So you're going to make another column for the midpoint. Let's call the midpoint X. Be 5, 15. Oh my goodness, I hope it doesn't go off. It's saying my internet connection is unstable. Okay, 35, 45, 55. Please take screenshots in case. Okay, 65. And then the next thing that we have to do is we have to work out F times X. Okay, the frequency, this is F. And this is X, okay? So F times X. 5 times 3 would be 15. 6 times 15 is 90. 11 times 25 is 275. 15 times 35 is 525. 12 times 45 is 540. 7 times 55 is 385. 6 times 65 is 390. Can you guys verify those numbers for me, please? All correct? Good. 2220. Well done. So they're all correct. Can you work out sigma F for me? All of a sudden, we have this massive sunshine, and there's so much pollen. Today, like such a glorious day. I wish I was at the park, not teaching. I wish I wasn't teaching. I wish I was at the park. Right. So 60. Well done. Sigma F is equal to 60. Okay. So the next thing that we want to do is x squared. Okay. Because we need f times x squared, don't we? We need f times x squared. So let's do x squared. X squared would be 5 squared is 25. 15 squared is 225. 25 squared is 625. 35 squared is 1,225. 45 squared is 2,025. 55 squared is 3,025. 65 squared is 4,225. Guys, can you check now for me and verify my calculations? No, we didn't have to work out the total of that one. You're working out the total. Okay. But are all the calculations correct? Yeah? Okay. So f times x squared. Now we need to work the total for this one, because we need it in the calculation. We don't need sigma x squared in the calculation. Okay, Abdullah. Okay. F is 3. 3 times x squared, 3 times 25 is 75. I'm going to circle the ones I'm doing now. This times this is this. Okay, the last bit of calculation. Okay, 6 times 225 is 1,350. 11 times 625 is 6,875. 15 times 1225 is 18375. Times 2025 is 24300. 7 times 3025 is 21175. 6 times 4225 is 25. And that should give you sigma f times x squared, which is equal to 97500. Okay, write this down. Now it's time to come to our calculation. Okay, sigma f times x squared is 97500 over sigma f is 60 minus sigma f times x is 2220 over sigma f is 60 and all of these squared. Okay, so let's get your answers, guys, for this one. Mm-hmm. 256. Well done to you, Abra. Okay, so now to work out you got the variance, so the variance is equal to that. Okay, to work out the standard deviation, and S is equal to the square root of the variance. So this is going to be the square root of 256, which is equal to 16 hours. All right, guys. Yeah? My phone. Sorry, guys. Phone is falling off my hands. Thank you so much. Okay. So that is it. If you have any questions, you can ask me. If you do not have any questions, I have finished topic 8 and I'm going to open it now for you. and you can start to do it now, okay? You can do it now for the rest of the lesson, and I can mark it for you. I can mark those who have done topic 7 for them now up till 5 o'clock, all right? I'm going to put a standard deviation and variance question and a quartiles question for you for topic 8 now. I'm open it for you now. Okay. Hmm. Mm. Mhm. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Insert table.
teacher,
Yeah.
did you get Nahyan?
Did I record the lesson?
Huh?
What did you say?
I said, do you kick Nahyan from the room, or there is a problem?
What problem? I don't know.
Nahyan. Do you kick him from the class, or there is a problem?
Oh, Nayan, he's coming in. Okay, I'll bring him in now. Okay. Sorry, I'm setting up your work on Moodle so that you guys can go and do it and finish it off. So it's not on your head. You can do it during your lesson time. Okay. Number of rows, 9 or 8, and number of columns, 2. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. Less than or equal to x is less than 10. Symbol, nope. Here, less than or equal to, save. Control C, Control V, range. I don't want no table heads. I just want table row. And I want this to be the range and the frequency. Okay, right. I can remove this one back from here. Question 1 and question 2. Let's have a look. 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, and 60, 70. Okay. Let me see if I can put that one to you guys now. One, rather 2, 2, 4, 9, 14, 12, 3, and 1. Okay, let's have a look. Let's see what that looks like. Save. I'm just going to preview that question now. Come on. Show me. Oh, I need to put all the lines in because otherwise you guys can't see it. HTML table border. Sorry guys, we have to do this, otherwise it's a problem.
Teacher,
Yeah,
I can't open assignment 7.
you've done assignment 7.
No, I can't because the deadline it was, I think, in March for engineering class. So I can't do.
Okay, we'll get you sorted then.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, 1 pixel. Sorry guys, this is a lot of work. I have to try and do it for you guys. Now I don't even know what I've done. Is it showing? It's IT work. Right, I can put this